Game Life's midweek ministry uses experiential education to lead children everywhere to an aha moment, where they begin to understand how the Bible's truth connects to their lives. Each Game Life midweek training session focuses on one main truth from the Bible, taught and experienced in 3 zones: Game Zone, Discovery Zone, and Life Zone. Here's an example. The one main truth for a lesson is we should keep our attention focused on Jesus regardless of distractions. In the Game Zone, students clip a clothespin on the back of their shirt and form a circle. Their objective is to snag the clothespin in front of them without their own being taken. If children become distracted and look back, they slow down. If they stay focused on the goal ahead, they are faster. Next, students separate into groups for the Discovery Zone. Students discover that when Peter focused his faith on Jesus, he did something great. But when Peter became distracted by the wind and waves, he sank. Finally, students gather together in the Life Zone. Leaders ask how the game experience connects to the Bible and how Peter's story connects to their lives. If students do not become distracted and stay focused on God's goal, God can do great things through their lives. Children love Game Life's engaging activities and unique approach to lessons. Leaders love the simple step-by-step instructions and ease of use with pre-written questions and suggested answers that guarantee all volunteers can serve with confidence. And parents are inspired to join in the fun through take-home activities and one-of-a-kind teaching opportunities. Visit www.gamelife77.com today to get started.